Welcome to the enchanting story of Hansel and Gretel. Join us on their exciting journey filled with mystery, candy houses, and wicked witches. This tale teaches us about bravery and cleverness in overcoming challenges. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more magical adventures. In a quaint village near a dark forest, siblings Hansel and Gretel lived with their loving parents. Known for their adventurous spirits, they explored meadows and streams. However, tough times left their family struggling to find food, leading to a difficult decision that changed everything. One day, their worried mother persuaded their father to take a drastic step. They would lead Hansel and Gretel deep into the forest and abandon them, believing it was their only chance for survival. Little did they know, this decision would set the stage for an unforgettable adventure. As the sun set, Hansel and Gretel's parents led them deeper into the woods, whispering promises of adventure. The children gazed at the shimmering stars in excitement. But when they realized they were left behind, fear gripped them, soon replaced by a growing sense of determination. In the dark, eerie woods, Hansel and Gretel held hands, promising not to be separated. They wandered, following the twinkling fireflies, hoping to find safety. Along the way, they discovered a trail of breadcrumbs Hansel had cleverly scattered to mark their path and keep them from getting lost. As night fell, the children worried when they lost sight of their breadcrumb trail. Their hearts raced, and despair threatened to overwhelm them. Just when they thought all hope was lost, they stumbled upon a house made entirely of candy, inviting them closer with its sweet aroma. With their mouths watering, Hansel and Gretel approached the candy house, captivated by the delicious smell. Overcome by hunger, they began to nibble on the candy-covered walls, forgetting their fears. Little did they know, the house belonged to a cunning witch with dark intentions. Suddenly, the door creaked open, revealing a hunched old witch with a crooked smile. "Welcome, my dears," she cackled. Hansel and Gretel exchanged worried glances, but were too tempted by the food to refuse. They stepped inside, excitement and unease mixing, unaware of the danger ahead. Inside, the witch offered a feast fit for royalty, and Hansel and Gretel devoured every bite. But soon, they realized her wicked plan, to fatten Hansel for dinner. Gretel, sensing the danger, pretended to enjoy the meal while secretly whispering an escape plan to her brother. Days passed, and Hansel cleverly tricked the witch by showing her a thin bone instead of his finger whenever she checked. Growing impatient, the witch decided it was time to cook Hansel, no matter his size. She ordered Gretel to heat the oven, planning to bake both children. Panic surged within them. Quick-witted Gretel seized her chance. "Let me check the oven," she exclaimed, recalling her mother's words. The witch, thinking herself clever, led Gretel to the oven. Just as the witch leaned in, Gretel pushed her inside with all her might and slammed the door, freeing them from the witch's grasp. With the witch defeated, Hansel and Gretel knew they had to escape. They searched for treasures and found a chest filled with jewels and gold. They stuffed their pockets, knowing their parents' struggles could soon be over. Hearts racing, they hurriedly left the candy house, eager to return home. As they made their way through the dark forest, the once menacing trees felt different. Moonlight illuminated their path, guiding them safely back. After hours of running, they finally spotted their home in the distance. Their hearts swelled with joy as they raced toward it, filled with hope. When they reached home, their father rushed out to embrace them, tears of relief in his eyes. He had realized the terrible mistake of abandoning them and promised never to let them go again. Their mother, filled with regret, joined the hug, vowing to keep their family together, united in love. With the witch's treasure, their family found prosperity and happiness. They learned valuable lessons about love, unity, and bravery in overcoming challenges. Hansel and Gretel became legends in their village, proving that cleverness and courage can conquer any dark force they faced. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling adventure with Hansel and Gretel. Their bravery shows that even in dark times, hope shines through. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more captivating tales. Until next time, stay brave and keep your imagination wild.